Thank you for purchasing the Eclipse Travel Mobility Scooter. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and also to make sure you get the very best out of your new CareCo product. Your Eclipse travel scooter should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, please remove any excess packaging. Then lift out the front basket, seat and armrests and set them aside. Now you can access the main scooter body. Twist the dial at the base of the tiller to unlock it, then lift it by the handlebars. Lock the tiller again to leave it in an upright position. Next, lift off the battery by the handle as this will reduce the weight of the scooter before you remove it from the box. The scooter body can be lifted out as a whole, however, we recommend you only do so if you have assistance, as it is quite heavy. To make removing the scooter from the box more manageable by yourself, we recommend following one of these two options. You can either carefully cut the box open and wheel the scooter out manually in the freewheel mode, or split the front and rear sections and lift them out separately. You can do this by turning the scooter on its side and pulling out this pin underneath that locks the front and rear sections together. You can now split the scooter into two halves. With everything out of the box, you can now put your scooter together. Packaged with your front basket, you will find a few key components, including an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this for helpful insights into how to best use and maintain your scooter. There is also the seat post, the battery charger, the ignition keys, and finally this handled knob, which can be used to secure a trailer to your scooter should you wish to purchase one. With the tiller bar in an upright position, attach the front basket. After removing the protective wrapping underneath, drop the battery back into place. Make sure your scooter is in drive mode, as the battery will be disconnected from the motor when in freewheel mode. To test the battery connection, switch on the scooter using the ignition key. When the scooter is on and ready to use, a green light will appear on the battery gauge. If you have a flashing green light, this means the battery is disconnected or low on power. Using the holes on the side of the seat post for reference, find a comfortable height for the user. Once you have found your desired height, lock the seat post in place using the push pin. Next, drop the seat onto the seat post. The lever underneath can be used to lock the seat in place and to swivel the seat for easier access on and off your scooter. Now you can slot the armrests in place. Once you have found a comfortable width on the armrests, secure them to the seat by using the knobs underneath. Your product is now ready for use. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any more questions about the Eclipse Travel Mobility Scooter or its assembly, then simply look on our website, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.